Welcome to this throat chakra tapping meditation. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you can relax. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any tension. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and set the intention to open your throat chakra, embracing communication, truth, and self-expression. Now we'll start tapping on the side of the hand. I express myself with clarity and confidence. I express my creativity with joy. Eyebrow. I am open to speaking my truth. Side of the eye. I communicate with ease and grace. Under the eye. I am heard and understood. Under the nose. I express my thoughts and feelings freely. Under the mouth. I honor my voice and my truth. Collarbone. I am authentic in my communication. Under the arm. I listen to others with compassion. Top of the head. I am clear, I am expressive, I am truthful. Now back to the eyebrow point. I am confident in my self-expression. Side of the eye. I speak my truth with love and kindness. Under the eye. I trust my inner voice and intuition. Under the nose. I am open to sharing my ideas. Under the mouth. I am authentic and true to myself. Collarbone. I communicate with honesty and integrity. Under the arm. I am open to new ways of expressing myself. Top of the head. I am expressive, I am authentic, I am free. Now you can stop tapping and take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel the clarity and confidence flowing through you. Embrace your ability to communicate and express yourself authentically. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the sense of expression and truth with you into your day.